Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will showcase one of my projects on Zoho project integration with Google Sheets. Let me share with you the client's requirements. The first requirement was that when we complete a Zoho project milestone, it should automatically get reflected in Google Sheets in rows and columns. The other requirement was that we complete the milestone related to the Dr. Pool project, which will come under the Dr. Pool milestone sheet. Whereas, if we completed the milestone related to the MKCMS project, it would come under the MKCMS milestone sheet. To successfully cater to our clients' needs, we created a Zoho flow. We have integrated our Zoho project with Google Sheets with the help of Zoho Flow. Let me show you the demo. So here I am creating a new milestone for the MKCMS project. Here we have to fill in the details such as milestone name and end date and then click on Add button. As soon as I have created the milestone, I will click on 3 dots and then click on the edit button, and then I will get the status changed to completed. Now the notification appears as milestone updated. Similarly, I will create a milestone for Dr. Pool. So we have to add all the details including the project name, milestone name, end date and more, and then click on Add button to add the milestone. Similarly, I'll click on the 3 dots and then click on the edit button, and then I will get the status changed to completed. Now again, the notification appears as milestone updated. So now I have completed both the milestones. So in Zoho Flow, I have used the polling trigger. The polling trigger automatically fetches the record in the sheet in 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes. So after waiting for some time, our data will get updated. Let me go through the sheet once. So I am clicking on the sheet and here are the entries. Project ID, milestone name ABC, start date, end date and status are displayed as completed. This is similar to Dr. Pool milestone. As you can see, the milestone name is XYZ, start date, end date and status as completed. And for verifying, we can see that Dr. Pool has the same milestone name XYZ. The entry came under Dr. Pool milestone sheet, whereas the ABC comes under MKCMS project, and you can see that the MKCMS milestone sheet has the entries such as milestone name ABC. That's all about this project. Are you ready to close more deals and increase your organization's growth with Zoho CRM? Get in touch with Cloud Analogy, a leading Zoho CRM consulting partner, to discuss the present and future of Zoho CRM.